So if you got some spare things laying around the house that you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace, I'm going to show you how to do it all from your mobile device. Let's jump in. All right, so first and foremost, you're going to open up your Facebook app, sign in, and down in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to click on the menu screen. You have all the different places that you can go to. We're going to see more, and you'll see Marketplace. Click on that. All right, and then it'll open up to the Marketplace. You can see what it starts off with is, sort of all the things that are near you that you can look for if you're on the purchasing side of things. But if you would like to sell something, up at the top of the screen, you can see it says sell. You just click on that and it pops up here to create a listing. You'll tap on that and you've got a couple options here that pop up. You can sell just one item, which is what we're going to do today, or you can select multiple items. If you have a whole collection, book collection, or something that you're selling, you could add those in there. Or they have vehicle or home, which are obviously a little bit more involved to sell. Or you can create an event, like if you have a garage sale or a yard sale that you're doing, you could do it that way. But for the purpose of this, we're just going to click on one item. Okay. And then you can do a couple of things. If it's something big or you want to give a tour of something, you do a video, but we're just going to go and we're going to add a photo. If you've already taken the photos in your camera roll, you can access those. But for us, we're just going to go to the camera here, take a nice picture. There we go. We're going to sell a nice number 2 pencil here. Okay. Just for example's sake, I'm not really going to list this. All right. So then right below that, you add a title. And the key is you want to have a title that is going to be specific enough to be exactly what the item is, but also kind of general enough so that people that are searching for things like that might find it. So I'm just going to go yellow wood pencil. And price, we're going to sell this for $1. Okay. And then under that, you have condition. The thing I always tell people about the condition is you want to be maybe err on the lower side, because I would rather under promise and over deliver than the other way around. So I'm just going to say used, fair, and then you can add more to the description. You go, it's a slightly used, pre-sharpened pencil. You can add your location. And then they have an option here. You can add more listing options. So you can select the category. Now it automatically selected this category for me. So drawing instruments, which is great. Then you can add some additional items here. So you could select a brand or the material. And then you have an option to hide it from your friends. So maybe this is something that you're selling publicly or you don't want to have to, negotiate with your friends. You can select that, or you can let them see those as well. And then up in the corner, you'll have the publish button, which I'm not going to hit right now because I'm not actually selling this pencil. But you can hit publish. It'll take a few minutes. It'll confirm. And then the item is listed and it's up there. And then I will show you once that is listed, you'll see here dashboard view. People will send you messages if they have questions. You can see how many active listings, which I don't have any right now. The listings that are ready to renew because after so many days it'll expire. How much money that you've made on this. So all the information is right here. And I would say the key is, just keeping on top of answering questions as people ask them. You can also edit the post. So if you're seeing that people keep asking the same question over and over again, you can add that into the description so that people aren't continuing asking the same question. And that's it. That's all it takes to really get your first listing up on Facebook using nothing but your phone. So I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you in the next one.